Hi, this is Lingo. Yes, I'm your host Jeremy. In this lesson, we're gonna learn 朝九晚五朝九晚五朝九晚五 Word by word 朝 morning 朝 morning 朝 morning 九 nine 九 nine 九 nine One night evening. One night evening. One night evening. 五 five. 五 five. 五 five. 朝九晚五 it means you go to work at 9 in the morning, you get after work at the afternoon 5 o'clock. So basically it means 9 to 5 job, 9 to 5 job, 8 hours working time. It's pretty good, right? In like 10, 20 years ago, this is like a perfect job for everybody. But nowadays people it conveys a bit of a connotation like, yeah, his job is 9 to 5. It's kind of boring, you know what is going on. Day after day, repeating year after year. So it's kind of a boring, tedious job. Let me give you some examples. 你为什么辞职了？我不太喜欢朝九晚五的生活。我不太喜欢朝九晚五的生活。我不太喜欢朝九晚五的生活。And in the first example, it means, yeah, because it's boring. It's 朝九晚五. 9 to 5 job, it's boring. I don't like it. They probably like startup job better, right? And let me give you more examples. 你为什么要选择我们公司？你为什么要选择我们公司？你为什么要选择我们公司？我想找一份朝九晚五的工作。我想找一份朝九晚五的工作。我想找一份朝九晚五的工作。Some people think, 9 to 5 job is pretty, good, it's stable. You follow the kind of routine. But the other people think, yeah, it's too boring. It really depends on your personality and what kind of life you want. Now you learn the definition of 朝九晚五. And is, basically means the job 9 to 5, very stable, without any challenge. But it's your choice to like 朝九晚五 or to choose a more challenging life working mode. This is Lingo. Yes, I'm your host Jeremy. If you like our program, please subscribe to our YouTube channels and Google Lingo Yes. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.